I'm stabilizing the base now. Copy that.
The engravings are emerging clearly on my side.
Houston.
Positioning support bar gamma. Locking hydraulic clamp now.
Clamp locked. Pressure holding steady.
Winches engaged. Stabilizers locked.
Confirmed secure. Beginning ascent, slow and steady.
Secure the aft lines. Hold fast, watch the tension. Winch engaged, bringing it up now.
Tension checked on strap 3.
Confirmed. Ready for lift in sector 4.
Harness locked. All systems green. Good stabilization, team.
Maintain course bearing 270. Copy that. Steady as she goes. Tension looks good on the primary lines.
ಚುನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕೋಳಿ പോകട്ടക്കനെയനട്ട യോരിണ്ടിലൊന്ന് തിൻവിടുന്ന അട്ടബക്ക മാത്രമാണ് പെയിന്റുന്ന
The deep scan confirms significant fracturing in the axial structure.
Structural integrity is compromised by
Data trending positive on salt removal efficiency.
Taking a final sample now.
Adjusting the flow regulators slightly down.
The mantle cleaning is flawless. Stabilization is secure. The restoration is complete.
Vibration resistance stabilizing at 98%.
Internal reinforcement scan complete. Structural integrity confirmed.
Contact made. Stabilize the base.
harness is clear.
Locking her down.
we present this sacred image of the Virgin Mary, restored to her former glory.
Ocean floor data synced. Initiating final transfer protocol.
All files verified. Locking archive sequence.
Ensure full coverage on the texture mapping.
Confirmed. Adjusting the scanner angle now. Data stream looks good.
Our mission: underwater survival and rescue.
The statue now stands not only as religious treasure, but also as historical proof of human dedication, scientific.
This brilliance will inspire our teams worldwide. We must ensure this legacy of protection continues.